Good Tuesday morning. This is your last Travel Tuesday, and it is a free choice of where you want to travel to. But it does not need to be a place that you do already know about. So you can click on a continent of your choice, but the place cannot be a place that you've already visited. It needs to be a new place that you are learning about and we are learning about as well. We will be starting on a Father's Day portrait of your dad and you. So you may want to print out the template that I will put on Seesaw or have a blank piece of copy paper if that's easier. Do not start on it though, because we will do it together with step-by-step instructions. Let's make it a great Tuesday, and I will see you guys at 8:30.